Okay, so I got these steel beams drilled out, and they will brace the 2x6s. Okay, so but they need to be cleaned up and painted. So let's get that done. Little alcohol, from what I understand, to clean metal. Get all that oil. And I actually already scraped it down with alcohol in this brush to save a wire brush. Rubbing alcohol, scrub it down, clean it up, and that prepares metal for spray paint or paint, whatever. So here we go. Get these cleaned up just a little bit more. Get that out of my way. Okay. And as you can see behind me, we have the pavers that I made that are ready to be painted or laying on the ground. The fence is done, and the wood pieces are on the table, my pool table. So we're getting there, guys. All the pieces of the puzzle. Oh yeah. I don't know that you're going to see these. I think I'm going to have them underneath, but you still want to do it right, you know? Oh, it's getting hot out. Charlotte, thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting. I appreciate the Rossi family. And hello, Charlotte. Hello, Jim and David. It helps when you don't stand downwind of the spray like I was just doing. Especially since I don't have a mask on. I have a very nice expensive mask and I can't find it, and it's irritating me. I keep thinking it's going to turn up and it doesn't. You know how that goes. Well, the good thing about this heat is this will dry fast. So I can get this turned over in just a few minutes and hit it from the other side. All right. That's really it. So wait a few minutes. We'll get the other side done. Get this yard cleaned up. I'll be happy to have my yard back. Oh my God. Charlotte, what do you think? I put this patio in. I dug this out with a wheelbarrow and a shovel and put this patio in. And then I built this fence and built that little greenhouse thing, whatever you want to call that, last summer. Seems like I just be building every summer, don't I? Okay, well, that's enough of that fun. Thank you, guys.